Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, our GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 30,491 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.